You see this right here? There's a rock chip, and this is a brand new windshield on this 4Runner. And I just recently got a rock chip on my Volkswagen, and the thing just spread like a spider all over. So I want to stop this from spreading as soon as possible. So I drove to one of those quick windshield fix places, and I asked little buddy how much it would be to put some epoxy on there or whatever it is they do. And he quoted me $100, and I was like, you're drunk. So I went into Canadian Tire, and I got this Rain X windshield repair kit. I'm going to try and throw that on quick and see what happens. Well, the instructions on this kit are very, very thorough. I honestly wouldn't have believed it if I didn't do it myself. You can see there's a little bit of a crack still there. It's not like 100%, but I'm actually shocked at how well this worked. So I saved myself $80 essentially, because this cost me $20 at Canadian Tire, and the guy was going to charge me $100 at one of those little windshield stop-in places. So, you know, I'm super happy. You can look at the before and you can see the after, and it's basically straightforward. You put the little suction cup thing on, put a few drops of resin in it, tighten it up, release the air, tighten it back up, wait 4 to 6 minutes, and you can literally watch the crack fill up. So the Rain X windshield repair kit, to me, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. I think it's great. Time will tell if that crack spreads or not, and if it does, I will be back here to tell you all about it. Thanks for watching.